Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google AI Mode on your PC or laptop. So I'm on my Windows PC here. I'm using Google Chrome. Now, if you look towards the right hand side, you will find the section where it says AI Mode. So you can click on that in the Google search. Now here you can see that I'm on the Google AI Mode application here for Google, and you can use it to type whatever it is that you want. And in order to install this, you want to go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side if you're using Chrome. The steps are pretty much similar. If you're using other browsers, you will do the same. No, you will not see in the search bar where it's going to say install as an app. So to get this to install as an app on your PC, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go down to where it says cast, save and share, and from here just click install as an app. Once you do that, you will see that it pops up. It's going to pull Google search, and that is because it's a Google application, right? And it's pulling just by default, but you can rename this by simple typing AI Mode if you wish to call it like that as well, and just click and install. Immediately it's going to install on your PC, and as you can see, it's installed on my PC, and it's also leave app on my desktop as well. So I can close this whenever I'm ready. I can double click on it and it's going to open up right with the AI Mode. And if you even want, you can even pin this to your taskbar if you want that as well, so that if you're whenever you're ready to do a quick search with the AI Mode app, you can click on it and it's going to open up right on your big computer here. And that's it guys. So that's how you can easily install Google AI Mode as an application on your Windows PC. Very easy and very simple.